If you want to change the feed layout in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch the layout on the Edge homepage so you can customize the browsing experience to match the way you like to see your news and content. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want a cleaner homepage, more visual cards, or a more minimal look. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and make sure you're on the Home tab. If you don't see the home page, click the Home button or open a new tab to get there. Once you're on the Edge start page, look toward the middle of the page where you'll see the feed layout option. This is the setting that controls how your content feed appears. Click on Feed Layout to open the layout choices. After that, you will see different layout options available, and all you need to do is choose the one you want. Depending on your version of Edge, you may see options that change the amount of content shown, how compact the page looks, or how much information appears in your feed. Simply click the layout that matches your preference, and Edge will update the homepage instantly. This means you can switch between layouts until you find the one that feels easiest to use. If you want a cleaner look, choose the more minimal layout. If you want a more information-rich feed, choose the layout that shows more content and visual elements. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can change the feed layout in Microsoft Edge and personalize the Home tab to better suit your browsing style. If this helped, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.